Hello. Today I will demonstrate how to model a simple semi-realistic table for your game projects. You can get this model and other game assets for free from my website. The link is in the description. Go to Blender and press 1 on the numpad to enter the front view. Press Tab to enter the edit mode. Select the upper vertices, press G and then Z and move the vertices downwards. Press S and then X to scale the cube on the X-axis. Now press 7 on the numpad to enter the top view. Press S and then Y to scale the cube on the Y-axis. Now go to the edit mode and select the edges by pressing and holding the Shift button. Press Ctrl+B to bevel the edges of the table. Now add a new cube by pressing Shift+A. Press S and X to scale the cube down on the X-axis, then press 3 on the numpad to enter the side view, and then press S and Y to scale down on the Y-axis. Press the G button to grab the cube and move it to the position like so. Select the edges of the cube by pressing and holding down the Shift button. Now press Ctrl+B to bevel the edges of the cube. Now go to Modifiers on the right side of the screen and then select Mirror Modifier. Select the table base as a mirror object and check both the X and Y axis for mirroring on all sides. Adjust the positions and scale of the cubes before applying materials to the table. Now go to AmbientCG.com. Head towards the Materials tab and search for wood materials. Download either 2K or 4K material of the wood. Now go to the Shading tab in Blender. Drag and drop color, roughness and normal maps extracted from the materials of the wood into the scene. Connect the color node of color of the material to the base color of Principled BSDF. Similarly, connect the roughness color node of the wood material to the roughness node of Principled BSDF. In order to add Normal DX node to the main material, press Shift+A and search for Normal Maps and connect the color node of Normal DX to the color node of Normal Map, and then connect the normal node of the Normal Map to the normal of Principled BSDF. Change the color space of roughness and normal DX to non-color. Go to the Layout tab and press Z and select Material Preview to see the result of the materials added to the model of the table. Once the material is added to the table, it's time to unwrap the materials. For that, head towards the UV editing and press Tab and then A to select the model in edit mode. Now press U and select UV Unwrap. You can also add Smart UV Project to the materials to avoid overlapping of the unwrapped materials. The table model and other game assets are available for free on my website. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up.